Hey, welcome to the day 16 और आज जो मैंने पढ़ा है it is quite good. I I took all the things that I assigned to me today. Although I haven't finished everything as I expected, but yeah, at least I tried everything. If you see here, as you can see, like I ticked everything. Yep. But actually, I didn't did all of my work as expected because no questions have been done for Q and linked list. But I have tried some of them. I stuck to one and then I procrastinate a little bit, and then I only finished the half caching, half acquiring behavior, but I ticked all of them. That's the biggest achievement, and from today onwards, I will be ticking everything daily or trying to touch everything daily and try to create one or two videos daily. So that will be I will be doing. So yesterday I have just done four sliding window problems and then no question on queue and linked list. There was one question regarding the queue that I stuck to right now, but I looked at its answer, so now I know the how it's going to be solved. So tomorrow I'll do that. And then I look into the caching, how caching behave. What is the caching actually? It's just the temporary storage so that a client can access the data as quick as possible instead of looking at the data storage and warehouses where it take times to get the fetch the data, right? And then half acquiring behavior through inheritance. So in this chapter of this book I will going to learn the why we need the inheritance. There is way of the different way of the inheritance, and those things we'll be looking at. And then react I looked into. So earlier I was thinking like let's do two videos in a way, but right now I'm thinking it is good to have single one video, right? And then Rails I have just started it, and then I thought, kid, let me say the day off, and then my sister came to my home, so I thought, okay, let's leave it. Tomorrow I'll try to do these things that's good looking, and maybe I hope I'll finish them as I'm expecting them, right? Let's Okay, cool. Looks like good. I hope I'll do good tomorrow only. And thank you. It is quite helpful for me as I'm uploading every day my updates. And thank you.